just dull. Okay, you guys, today we are getting into some skin. My skin has been so dry and so flaky. Ever since I got sunburnt, like I've been feeling like I've had this extra layer of skin on my face and I just need to take it off. So I remember I had this guy. Now this is the like diamond thing that you go like this with. And I remember I bought it back. And I used to get this on my face, actually done by a professional all the time. I am also licensed esthetician, so I know a little bit of something about skin, but you know, I'm just going off of what she did to me. And she actually said this was a good one to get. So I actually got this on Amazon, by the way. I don't remember how much it cost. It was a long time ago, but I was like, you know what? It's time because my skin is just not, it's just, it needs to go. The little chemical exfoliators just aren't it anymore. So let's get into it. So I'm starting from scratch. I didn't even wash my face yet from Pilates. So I am going in with the CeraVe. This was just the travel one that I had, but it was perfect for this video. And I used the, which one is this? Foaming cleanser. So I'm just gonna put this on my face. Loosen it up. I know some people don't do this, but I do this like as an extra to loosen up the skin. You go in with your washcloth. Like a pre-cleanse almost. My eyebrows have been so flaky too. There go my baby hair. My lips. The lips have been so crusty, by the way. So we're just gonna get that. Normally I do my neck and everything too, but for the sake of the video, I'm not doing all that. So we'll go back in another time now that the skin is wet. You see the difference? Like, I didn't even move. Pre-cleanse is necessary. Blackhead on my nose and it won't go away. Like, it is there and I'm pissed because it's like right in the middle of my nose. Like, do you see that? I laminated my eyebrows not too long ago, but it's time to do them again. Okay, now that my face is cleansed. I didn't have any makeup on. I haven't had makeup on in forever, so I'm sure that was a good cleanse. Feels like it. I'm gonna go on with this guy here. And it comes with like a whole tip thing. It's the diamond tip. And it comes with like this little sponge that you put in here. And this is the guy that catches all of the dead skin. Like, all the dead skin. It's like this little swab. And then here, it goes in here and it just lays flat. And then you put the sponge in there. And then you just put this on top of it like this. So this is gonna suck all the dead skin off. So it should look like this when it's done. So now that my face is dry, I'm gonna put it on a level, pick a level. This is one section. I normally do like 2 or 3. You can hear it like sucking it.
Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit.
because you're gonna have to moisturize for a long time after this, like moisturize for the next 3 days. So let's take it off. Oh my god, it's probably gonna be so disgusting. This is the most satisfying part. Okay, it wasn't too bad. I'm a little concerned because I'm like, did anything come out? But you could see like it's dirty. But I guess my face wasn't as dirty as I thought. So hey, go me. A cotton swab and some toner to calm the skin down. We want to close those pores back down because they are wide open, girl. Wide open. And this instantly just feels so amazing. Like already on my skin is just looking good. This is the brightening toner by Good Molecules. I'm gonna get just a little bit more by my nose because my nose is so sensitive and I feel like I scratched it one too many times. And then we're gonna grab this baby right here. This is the one. Like, come on. This Behydra Intensive Hydration Serum. Say that 20 times. This, my guy, is a staple forever and always to come. Because when I first moved out here, my skin was crazy dry. And now she is just flourishing. Like, I wouldn't say flourishing. I'd say she is progressing. There we go. That's the word. She's not as dry. I can kind of fix her now. And then we're gonna go in with our oil. So I'm kind of going backwards. I kind of go backwards, don't hate me. I'm gonna put my moisturizer on first and then I'm gonna put the oil because I like the oil to just sit in and soak in and then let it do its thing. So I know it's not the correct way, but trust me, the moisture, you'll see as you go throughout the day. Oh, I'm using the Advanced Snail. You know, this is COS RX, I think CR. I don't know the name, but I'm in love with this moisturizer. Like, and it's affordable. It's the best. I love it. I did love the elephant one, but I just feel like after a while it wasn't doing anything for my skin. Like, it was not as moisturizing as I needed it to be. Oh baby, just look at that. Hydrate. Just look at the glow it gives you. Just, it's the glow for me, dog. It's the glow for me. And then I'm just giving myself, I gotta hydrate those eyebrows too because, girl, you know when you get laminated, your eyebrows, it's a perm. So, you know, it dries them out. That's why it's so coarse afterwards. But hydrate them eyebrows so they're not flaky. Because I have funky eyebrows. Like, you guys, I get obsessed with eyebrows because my eyebrows are not cute, like, at all. So I'm gonna let that soak in, and while that's soaking in, I'm gonna put the eye cream. This is just, I'm new to eye cream. I don't really have eye bags like that, but I feel like I have been getting them lately. And I don't like it. Like, I was looking at some pictures and I was like, oh my God, my bags. We need to start doing that. Look at the skin, she's glowing. So we're gonna let that sit here. And then I'll come back, let this soak in, and then I'm gonna seal her with some vitamin E. I'm gonna seal her with vitamin E in these drops. You either love them or you hate them. I love them. So I like these two have been, I haven't switched up on them. Haven't switched up on these two yet. This combo, smack. Because my skin just be dry. So I just be experimenting and that be the thing. But look, it's like starting to dry up, but it's still fucking art. Just look the glow. And my brows are laminated somewhat still, but I don't leave it on as long just because my eyebrows be getting fried. Like, I will have sparse eyebrows if I do that. So, oh my goodness, you guys, it smells so good in here. I have a fall scent candle over there, and it smells so good. Okay. Now we're gonna grab our vitamin E tabs. I love these. You can get vitamin E in a liquid form. I don't like it just because I feel like it's thick on my skin, and I like that. I don't like any watery oil, if that makes sense. So I just poke a little hole. And I just literally put it on my skin. Just like this. So my skin's gonna be happy. And people might be like, oh my goodness. But girl, let me tell you, I'll post a video of what my skin used to look like before, and then you can judge me. But until then, my skin has never looked better. And then just because it's so thick, I go on with some of that oil, and I rub it in. I'm gonna talk about moisturized glazed donut. Baby, this is her. And vitamin E is just so good for the skin. Like, come on. Look at my skin. And if you don't like to feel oily, then girl, I'm sorry. I love feeling oily and shiny, and especially on moisturizing days, like, because this will look like this, but throughout the day, you'll notice that your skin, is sucking it in, and it's doing what it needs to do. Yes. So now I'm just gonna leave this on here while I edit my video, because I was just sitting here and I was like, oh my god, my skin just looks terrible. I was telling babe, like, what is going on? And I haven't really been taking care of my skin like I should. So now look at my skin, she's happy, we're happy, and I love this because look at my skin. And then I'm gonna come back on camera to show you guys what it's like in like 30 minutes to see how it like soaked in. But now let's put some lip therapy on. I did exfoliate my lips before the video, but my lips have been super dry too. This is a chapstick. It's a colored chapstick by number 7. And I use this to like neutralize my lips, give it a little pinky. You see? And it's so moisturizing. It's a chapstick, but it's called, it's called Hydra Luminous Lip Balm in the color Blush. And then I use this lip plumper over it just for some gloss. And this is by Physicians Formula. And it actually does plump. Like, when I first tried it, I was like, oh my goodness, this sucks. But my mom was like, maybe you should do the plumper first and then the chapstick. And I was like, oh my god, you're so right. But I just realized I did it backwards. But come on, we're glowing. This is Glazed Donut. Self-care. My hair, like my skin was lagging. So if you want something like this, I can link it below, something like it, but just go at your own caution. Like, I am not telling you what to do. I'm just saying what works for me. And if you like a good exfoliator and you feel like, let's get that gunky layer of skin off, try this. Try it on low. Don't be too crazy because it's abrasive. It's little things scratching on your face, so you want to be gentle with it. But at the same time, you want to make sure it's doing what it needs to do. So follow the directions, YouTube on how to actually use this the correct way. I'm just showing you what I do to make my skin go from dull to this. So don't come for me in the comments because I don't even know how to pronounce this. And I don't even know technically what this thing is called. I just know diamond peeling, because that's what it's saying on here. So anyway, this was a diamond peel I just gave myself. And I love it. Look at this. It's just glowing. I'm gonna show you guys what my skin used to look like right here, so that you guys know I've come a long way in your hair. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope we can all glow together, girl. And let's take care of our skin because the winter time is coming. Wintertime is coming. And you know what that means? Even drier skin. Okay guys, I'll see you later.